Hi everyone, got a Volkswagen T5.1 2012 with an electrical issue. Only one side of the side lights is working, so the left hand side over there. The right hand side is not working at all, except for when disconnect the battery and reconnect it. Comes on for about 3 seconds, then goes off. Let's just do that again. And this happens on both the front and the back on this side. So I've got no tail light on the back, no side light on the front. Full headlights work, indicators work, everything works. I thought it was my tow bypass installation, which I've recently done in here, but I took the whole lot out and it still did it, so I've put the whole lot back in. So pretty stuck. If you've got any info, and I've also tried all the fuses, taken all the fuses out, put them all back in, and it doesn't make any difference at all. So if you've got any advice, give us a shout.